Welcome to part 2. This time the question is asked rhetorically. Why so much time? Massive time is death to the theory of evolution. You don't want any origins theory to include massive lengths of time. In real science, not sci-fi pseudoscience, but with observable laws science, what we know with the highest certainty we can know anything is this. More time means more decay. A huge length of time means a huge amount of decay. There are not different laws of physics that govern plants and animals than govern everything else. We know the maintenance required to keep a building or car or airplane working and what always happens after long periods without it. With complex designs which rely on sophisticated coding of large amounts of information, all the worse. When digital data or computer programs are repeatedly copied, they get corrupted. Geneticists are aware of this reality and freaking out. It is the reason for their obsession with altering the genome. They are in a race against time to correct those accumulating real mutations, harmful by definition mutations, not the imaginary anti-mutations that spontaneously organize things. Back to the marketplace of competing origins theories. If you carried all of present life on Earth in a time machine back 4.5 billion years ago, or 500 million years ago, we'll just pretend the Earth was there, it would have long since died out. The elements and compounds would have achieved stability in their happy state that the laws of physics are constantly pushing toward, lifeless disorder. Those chemicals would now be in the form they are on the Moon or on Mars. Massive amounts of time as a component of an origins theory renders it a non-starter. I hear creationists fall into saying things of the effect, there was not enough time for evolution to have happened. It is certainly important to demonstrate that the Earth is about 6,000 years old because it is true. However, saying evolution could happen because there was enough time is nonsensical. It's like saying the bright green transparent stuff Superman touched was not kryptonite, therefore he still has its powers. Superman is not superhuman because Superman is not. He is made up, period. Also, kryptonite does not exist either. Superman is fiction and kryptonite is fiction independently. Spontaneous ordering does not happen, period, independent of anything else. One falsehood cannot enable an additional falsehood to be true. Evolution is impossible, and more time makes matters worse. It violates less of known science and physics to claim undirected processes created bacterial, animal, human life in an instant than in millions of years.